viewers, in this episode I will be showing you how to make chicken noodles with the ingredients which are available at home in a very simple and easy way. So let's see how it is done. I have kept some water for boiling to cook the noodles. We are using Indomie noodles here, like this 4 packets I am using. I will remove the masalas inside. This is optional to add actually. This masala I am not using, but this one I will be using 2 packets. I am pouring some sunflower oil, around 2 tablespoons. This will help the noodles not to become sticky. Just mix it. In 2 minutes the noodles will be ready. I am using around 6 chicken nuggets. I have cut it into small cubes. We have to first fry it and keep it aside. So for frying the chicken nuggets I am adding some sunflower oil, around 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, we can fry it. So the nuggets are fried well. I will be adding a little pepper powder and then we will take it outside and keep it aside. I think the noodles is ready. Let me check. Yeah, it's ready. So we have to strain this and keep it aside. So I'm switching off the flame. We are using the same oil which we used to fry the nuggets for frying the egg also. The eggs are cooked well and fried. I will add little bit pepper powder to this also. Now we can move it into a plate. Now we will stir fry the vegetables. For that I am adding again 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. To the oil, firstly I will add ginger garlic paste of around 2 tablespoons. Just mix them in the oil and then you can add the beans. And along with beans the ginger garlic paste will get cooked because beans take some time to fry. We are using 250 grams of beans. You can cut it into any shape which you like. I'm just mixing it with ginger garlic paste and I will close it with the lid and allow it to cook for like 2-3 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, let's check. The beans is done. Now we can add next ingredient, 250 grams of carrots. So the carrots are done. Now we will add the sauce. We will be using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon green chilli sauce, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, Mix well. Then we can add the fried nugget, followed by fried egg. And some pepper powder, and mix everything together. Adding this masala is optional. I have told you earlier, but I am adding some of it. Mix everything thoroughly. Lastly, I am adding some spring onion. After adding the spring onion, directly we will add the noodles. Make the noodles separated with a fork. Mix with vegetables. So our noodles is ready now. I want to tell you something very important. I did not add any salt extra in this other than we added in egg when we fried the egg, because all the sauce contains salt. So always make sure you will check the salt in between any time before you add, because we are adding sauce and all sauce is having salt. Otherwise the salt will be more once you complete the entire preparation. So always make sure you are adding no extra salt. Now I am serving. We will garnish with some spring onion. Next is my favorite part, tasting. So it's very nice. Try it. And for more recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye bye.